Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the preferences, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the option called watch language, and once you find it, of course, tap on it. And now you should see the list of languages on the screen. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it, and the language will be applied, and then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. You can also change the language through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone, so I'm gonna bring the phone that is paired with my watch. Zoom out the camera. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Zep application. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, select your Amazfit GTR 3 Pro from the list. Now select the option called device settings, find the device language, tap on it, select the language you like, tap on OK, and the language should be applied on your watch. As you can see, it changed to English. And then you can close the app, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.